YTF leaders held door-to-door campaign at Julaibari area under South Tripura district on Monday regarding the accord. State YTF President E.M. Runel Debarma, E.M. Suhel Debarma, E.M. Rajesh Debarma, MLA Sanjay Manik Tripura, MDC Debojit Tripura and others were present. YTF took a decision to preach door-to-door about the accord starting from 10th of March. Following that, YTF leaders have set their foot for door-to-door campaign regarding the accord for 5 days starting from Sunday. Likewise, YTF President E.M. Runel Debarma, E.M. Suhel Debarma, E.M. Rajesh Tripura, MDC Debojit Tripura, MLA Sanjay Manik Tripura went for door-to-door campaign at Julaibari area under South District on Monday regarding the accord.
Ini South Tripura Kolsimuk BCO Kolsimuk or sing door to door khalika Bubagrana Hambairana Hane the accord soy kajamani the historical accord soying money Omnoti Hambair Laiti they nogo door to door kaja YTF ni Pazin Bepi door to door solit omoni Omo Singora Paimanza Fika Sin men Udeshonkai or program Kaiman Inkai men Inkai Bubagrana Hambairani Karanko historical accord Zengmani Asuk Bosoromi Jasin Mante Shok the Man Tomoni Rock, Manmani Rock, agreement showing money rock, Home Minister, Government of India by the agreement showing money. On the Hambairanabi, Singorelli, Kalito, door to door campaign Kaito, Tais Hate J. Lukurok, Baksa Boro Rock, Accord Tomo, agreement Tomo Kaizaka, Omo Buzia Rock, no, Sankaham Sukrubi Buzi Nabagi, or door campaign Kaizaka, Omo, Pondo Targzora Kaijaknai. Or Sin Logi Paimanzak Faka, Sini TTD, Sin Honorable E.M. Suhel Debarma, Sin Honorable E.M. Rajesh Tripura, Honorable MLA the Sanjay Manik Tripura, Sini MDC Debojit Tripura, Sini Working President YTF ni Jiten Debarma, General Secretary Suraj Debarma, Tai local ni block presidents YTF ni district presidents, Tai Oza Am Chani. Sikla active warriors of YTF ni Joton Bhai or Manjak Phaka.
Reported by Animes from Julaibari, Chini Khorang.